Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send Instagram highlights from your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. You can do this by either searching for the user or clicking on their username if it appears in your feed. Once you're on their profile page, look just under their bio. Here you'll find the Highlights section, which displays all the highlights they have created. Click on the specific highlight you want to send. This will open up the story contained in that highlight. Now, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You will see a link that directs to that specific story. Right-click on this link and choose the Copy option from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial, as it allows you to share the exact link to the highlight. Next, locate the messenger icon on the left side menu of your Instagram interface. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now, find the chat where you want to send this highlight link. Once you're in the chat, simply right-click in the message input area and select Paste to insert the link you copied earlier. Finally, hit Send, and voila! You've successfully shared an Instagram highlight directly from your PC. This method not only makes sharing easier, but also allows your friends or followers to view content that might not be readily visible on their feeds. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send Instagram highlights from your PC using the latest updates. Enjoy sharing those memorable moments with your friends.